Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Golden Ticket Assembly. Yes, as you can see, it is Friday the 16th of September 2022. We're here to celebrate all those children in reception, Year 1 and Year 2, who've earned themselves a golden ticket today. And just before I start, can I just say thank you to all of you who came to Reading Thursdays yesterday. It was lovely to see so many of you coming along, coming into classes, into the hall as well, to share books with your children. So thank you so much everyone. It was brilliant, it was really well attended, so thanks so much. Right, we'll start this morning with reception. So in reception, and Miss McTavish says this week's winner is an excellent example to the Penguin class, as they always listen beautifully and try their best. They've been working hard in our first phonics and maths lessons and have wonderful manners. That's what Mr. Allen just keeps, please, just wonderful manners. Please say please, thank you, being kind. That's all we can ask of you. That they always use as well. That's exactly it. This child is amazing. Well done, and keep up the great work. Golden ticket goes to Julian. There he is, Julian, you little superstar. Well done. I'm so proud of you. I know your brother and sister are going to be proud of you as well. So really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today, you superstar. Well done. On to Miss Ruffle, and Miss Ruffle says this child is always doing the right thing. Always doing the right thing and always listening. She's brilliant at sharing and is very kind to classmates and adults, always offering to help. This week's golden ticket goes none other than Evie. Look at that beautiful smile. Evie, you've won the golden ticket, you superstar. Look at that. What a beautiful smile. Thank you for being so wonderful and so lovely, and just keep it up and enjoy taking this home with you today. You superstar, really well deserved. Well done. On to Year 1. And Mr. Bennett says our golden ticket winner is already up to speed with all that we expect of them in this school. And they've had a brilliant reception, so now they're ready and they know what to do in Year 1. It's amazing. They're really impressing all of the adults in Year 1 with their excellent attitude. They sit beautifully on the carpet and listen brilliantly. They have also been reading 5 times a week. That's what Mr. Allen keeps asking. Oh, and right from the start of the year. They're very deserving of this prize. They certainly are. Golden ticket goes to Naffy. There she is. Well done, Naffy. Yes, you've got it. Massive cheer I can hear. So really well done, Naffy. You absolute superstar. Really well done. Enjoy taking this home with you today. Well done. On to Mr. Ackerman, and Mr. Ackerman said, this child has really impressed us how they have settled into Year 1. They enter the classroom ready and eager, and they've been trying really hard with all of their learning. This child has good manners, is polite to adults and children in the class. So just polite all the time. There it is again. We've mentioned that again and again. They've been reading every night, and we've really enjoyed watching them settle into Year 1. We certainly have. Golden ticket goes to, there we go, Phoenix. Well done, Phoenix, with that big smile. You should be smiling now. You've won the golden ticket, you superstar. Well done. Keep being amazing. Keep having those beautiful manners, you superstar. Keep working as hard as you can. Enjoy taking that home today. Well done. On to Year 2, and Miss Megan says this child always tries their best to be the first on the carpet, ready to listen and learn. They're becoming more confident to share their answers during class discussions. They ensure their work presentation is neat and tidy. It's what we expect from a Year 2. Golden ticket goes to Yasmin. Look at that. Well done, Yasmin. Look at that beautiful sitting. Look, big smile. You're smiling now. Golden ticket's yours. Well done, Yasmin. You superstar, and just keep it up, please. So thank you. And finally, on to Miss Hall and Miss Shaw. This child and Pink Teddy, bit of a clue there, have worked so hard this week. They've settled into the morning routine quickly and are making fantastic progress. Keep up the great work. Lily, there she is, look. Absolute superstar. Well done, Lily. You've won the golden ticket. You absolute superstar. Well done. Keep being amazing. Keep coming in amazingly. And really well deserved. Hard work. Look at you. Look. Working so hard. Well done. And huge congratulations. Proud of you. There it is. Well done, everyone. Again, another great week, everyone. What another fabulous week we have had. So wonderful. Again, to see all those parents yesterday. Really hard work throughout. Thank you, everyone, for all the reading you're doing and all the homework as well that you're doing as well. So please do keep that up. It is fantastic. This weekend, we have got complete the word search in the newsletter. Mr. Starling had a chat with him. He's going to put another word search in there. We really enjoyed doing that last weekend, so have another go at that word search in the newsletter. You'll see and see if you can find all the words there. Find out what the theme is as well from Mr. Starling's off. Talk about your favourite book. Because we've had Reading Thursday yesterday, so let's really start talking this week about our favourite books, really start immersing ourselves in our favourite authors and books and start telling about them and maybe retelling them. And then finally, enjoy the extra day off on Monday. Yes, it is the Queen's funeral on Monday, so therefore it is officially a bank holiday. So the children will be off for that day, so please make sure children come back on Tuesday at 8:30. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone, and until then, Bye-bye now.